Can I draft my own financial consent order? It's a question, but it's often asked of us because, let's face it, paying a solicitor to do it can get quite expensive. So can you draft your own order? Well, the short answer is yes, you can. But you probably wouldn't want to. It's a bit like if you're buying a house. You could do your own conveyancing, but it's such an important thing, right? You want to get it right. If you don't have the legal knowledge and experience, it's very likely that your consent order will be sent back from the court. They'll be asking questions on it or asking it to be rewritten. So yes, you can, but it's genuinely not recommended. You do have quite a few options to have a consent order drafted. We go through these on our website, but but the high level ones are you can get an online service to do it. If you do it through Mediate UK and you've got an agreement through ourselves, you can use one of our fixed fee packages to help you, or you can use a solicitor. Prices are going to vary from the bottom end from about £400 plus VAT all the way up to, I've had £6,000 plus VAT quoted to clients in the past. So shop around, find out who you want to do, get recommendations, do all the things that you would normally do if you were looking to, I don't know, buy a car, do the research. Bear in mind that at the lower end of the scale, it's unlikely that your financial consent order will be drafted by a solicitor. It might well be drafted by a paralegal. And at the upper end of the scale, do you need to spend £6,000 on a consent order? I suppose if it was particularly complicated and you had, millions of pounds in assets, then you might get value out of that. So do shop around, do educate yourself on the different types of drafting a consent order. But the recommendation, honestly, is don't do it yourself.